We're at Baldwin Park at Farris and Foster's famous chocolate factory. We're going on a really sweet adventure today. My favorite sweet treat is chocolate. Let's go to a real chocolate factory and make our own. Oh, look at this beautiful rainbow behind me. Let's go check it out. Let's go make some chocolates. Look at all the chocolate molds. My favorite is the jack-o'-lantern one because it's almost Halloween. Before we make some chocolate, please subscribe and smash that like button.
So the first thing we got for you guys today is this funnel system. It comes with a cup, a funnel, and a stopper stick. You guys want to tell me what a stopper stick does?
Stops it from coming out into the cup?
Yeah, that's exactly what it does. You want to see? Okay.
Wow, it does.
Just like that. Alright, so what I'm going to show you guys is how to make a basic peanut butter cup. You guys like those? Yeah? Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to take 1 drop of chocolate on the bottom. You're going to take your filling, which is going to be peanut butter. You're just going to fill it up. And then you'll do a drop of chocolate on top, just like that. Look good?
Yeah. Can we double taste it to see if it's good or not good?
I wouldn't say double taste it, but you can taste it. You just have to use a different spoon every time.
Okay.
Okay?
We got instructions and now we're on our own so we can make chocolates on our own. While Mom's getting gloves, I'm picking out my wrappers. Check, I'm almost done. The last finishing touch done. So, oh, my gloves. Hey guys, check out these gloves. They're small. I decided to get this mode, and do you know what it is? Chocolate jack-o'-lantern lollipops. Let's start. Mom?
Yes, honey.
Can you pour the chocolate while I pour the stopper?
Of course, that sounds like a really smart plan.
We're gonna do a pattern. Dark, milk, dark. Does that sound like a good plan? And up we go. Let's go check out what goes in the machine. I'm gonna put some pressers in the machine. Let's do that. Wow. Hello, dolls. Let's put another one. Hey Josh, what are you doing? I am making milk chocolate with horchata. I'm gonna grab another thing. Look what my mom's doing for her parents.
Nothing's better than a Twinkie, except for a chocolate-covered Twinkie.
Let's see what we can put in my chocolate. We're gonna do 3 dark chocolate and 1 milk chocolate. Let's do this. Oh, my pretzels are made. Oh, I'm so excited. Yummy. Oh, I just want to eat all these chocolates. Oh, look, they're already out. Oh, that looks yummy. Let's dip.
That looks great. Good job, bud.
Wait, remember she said we can do the swirl?
What do you guys think? I think the truffles came out looking really good.
Yeah. Amazing. Wow, look at the molds. Geez, they look like my skates. We made a lot of chocolate. Thanks, Farris and Foster. You can never eat too much chocolate. Subscribe and smash that like button. Bye, everybody. Okay, we are home. Let's try.